In this video, we will solve two PNG Grade 8 Mathematics National Exam questions of the 2013 paper. Let us begin. What is the value of the angle marked C? Look at this triangle. We have a top angle of 55 degrees, and on the right side, an exterior angle of 110 degrees. Our job is to find angle C on the left. Take a look at the options on the right. Can you figure it out? Let's zoom in on that mystery angle. Solution. Step 1. What are we given? The top interior angle is 55 degrees, and the exterior angle and the right vertex is 110 degrees. Step 2. We use a very important rule, the exterior angle theorem. It says an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two remote or opposite interior angles. So we can write 110 degrees equals C plus 55 degrees. Step 3. Now just solve for C. C equals 110 degrees minus 55 degrees. C equals 55 degrees. So angle C is 55 degrees. That means the answer is option A. Let's confirm. The triangle with C now marked as 55 degrees. We circle option A, 55 degrees, and right below the options, correct answer. Angle C is 55 degrees. Option A. Next question. Let's solve this PNG Grade 8 Mathematics National Examination question for 2013 exams. Question 8. What fraction of the circle is shaded? Take a look. We've got a circle, and a slice of it cut off at 45 degrees is shaded orange. 4 answers to choose from: 1/4, 1/3, 1/8, or 1/5. Let's work it out. A full circle is always 360 degrees. The shaded angle here is 45 degrees. So the fraction shaded is 45 over 360. Divide both by 45, and that simplifies down to 1/8. And there it is. The correct answer is C, 1/8.